I'm going to show you a part of Accelerware that you may not know about, called Reminder Management. To start, we're going to go to Calendar, and under Calendar, Reminder Management. We can add a reminder for someone to do something for us. I'm going to assign this one to Joe. Let's title it Update Website Homepage. Add banner photo. And update blog posts. I can also create an auto repeat for this task. I'm going to have that one set for every 4 weeks and send them a reminder on this day. Now when we go back to their homepage, it should refresh to show all the reminders that they have due. Thanks for listening.